Good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Sastram. So, today we are going to see what is the relation between AM, GM, and HM. AM means arithmetic means, and GM means geometric mean, and HM means harmonic mean. Okay. So, let's see. Till now, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe YouTube channel for mathematics questions. Okay. So, let's see today's session. Okay. So, first we will find relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So relation between AM and GM. Okay. Okay. So if you have two numbers, A and B, if you have two numbers A and B, what is arithmetic mean? If you have two numbers A and B, what is arithmetic mean? AM is equal to A plus B by 2. Okay. And GM is equal to under root AB. Okay. So we are going to find a relation. First, you observe one thing. Under root A plus under root B square is equal to is always non-negative. Okay. Sorry, I can take minus here because I am finding a relation. So I will take minus here. So you open this under root A square plus under root B square, that is 2 under root A into under root B. Okay. So this is A, this is B, and I can write this under root AB. Okay. Okay. So this implies I can write this as A plus B by 2, that is under root AB. So what is this? This is my AM and this is my GM. So this is the relation. Let's say question number. Okay. First you observe one thing here. You have to notice that one thing. I have taken under root here. Under root means when we can take under root. If my so A has to be non-negative and B, then we can write this. We can write this. Otherwise, we cannot. If A is negative, we cannot write. So in assumption, we have taken this. Okay. Now we'll find relation between GM and AM. Okay. So if you have two numbers A and B, okay, what is HM? What is HM? What is HM? HM is equal to 2AB upon A plus B. So here note you that A and B cannot be 0. If A and B are 0, we cannot divide. So in the assumption, we will take the following condition. If A is non-negative and B is strictly greater than 0, then we can write under root, we can write under root A minus under root B square. Okay. Then after this, we got this one. A plus B minus 2 under root AB. Okay. So this is equal to, okay. So what we got? We got a plus b under root 2 under root 2 into under root ab. Okay. Now, what you will do? Because since a is greater than 0 and b is strictly greater than, this implies a plus b is greater than 0. It means a plus b is non-zero. If a plus b is non-zero, I can divide both the sides. So this is equal to okay. Now another thing you note that a is greater than 0 and b is a is greater than equal to 0 and b is greater than 0. Then ab is greater than equal to 0. So we will multiply both the side by under root ab, because this inequality holds and we have a non-negative quantity. So after multiplying under root ab, it will not change. Multiplying both the sides by under root ab, we get what we get. Under root ab is equal to, it will be 2ab upon a plus b. What is this? Under root ab is nothing but gm. So under root ab is nothing but gm, and this is hm. This is gm, this is gm, and this is hm. So we have equation number 2. Okay, let's say this relation is this in brackets. Equation number 1 you also do in bracket, because these are two relations. This is gm and this is my am. Okay. So now we write a relation. We have found a relation between am and gm by equation number 1. And we have a relation between gm and hm by equation number 2. Now we finally write relation among am, gm and hm. Okay. If okay, if a greater than equal to 0 and b is still less greater than 0, then from 1 and 2 we have am is greater than gm by equation number 1. Okay. And by equation number 2 gm is greater than hm. Okay. So this is the relation. Okay. So in this session we have find a relation between am, gm and hm. So this is very important relation. So if you have any problem related to this, comment me on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for today's session. Thank you very much.